For millennia, humanity has perceived life and death as two distinct and opposing forces. This dichotomy has been deeply ingrained in our collective consciousness, shaping the way we think about our existence and our place in the universe. We are born, we live, and we die. This simple yet profound cycle is a universal experience, transcending cultures and epochs. This linear perspective has shaped our beliefs, rituals, and understanding of the world. From ancient burial practices to modern funerals, our customs reflect this fundamental view of life and death as separate entities. Life, teeming with energy and growth, stands in stark contrast to the perceived stillness and finality of death. The vibrancy of a bustling city or a lush forest seems worlds apart from the quiet solemnity of a cemetery. This binary view, however, is being challenged. Scientists and philosophers alike are beginning to question the simplicity of this age-old dichotomy. Emerging scientific discoveries are revealing a more nuanced reality. Advances in medical technology and our understanding of biology are painting a more complex picture. Life and death, it seems, are not two sides of a coin, but rather points on a spectrum. It's of being that challenge our traditional notions. This spectrum encompasses a mysterious third state, a liminal space where the boundaries between life and death blur. Patients in critical conditions, for instance, often exist in this in-between state. This revelation is not merely an academic curiosity. It has the potential to revolutionize our approach to medicine, ethics, and even our philosophical understanding of life itself. It has profound implications for our understanding of biology, medicine, and even the very nature of existence. As we continue to explore this spectrum, we may find that life and death are far more interconnected than we ever imagined. The idea of a third state arises from groundbreaking research in the field of thanatology, the study of death. This research is pushing the boundaries of what we know about the end of life, revealing complexities that were previously unimaginable. Scientists are discovering that death is not an instantaneous event, but rather a process. This process unfolds over time, with various stages that challenge our conventional understanding. Even after the heart stops beating and the brain ceases activity, life persists at the cellular level. Cells continue to function and communicate, defying the notion that death is a singular moment. This post-mortem cellular activity challenges our traditional definition of death. It suggests that the boundary between life and death is far more blurred than we ever thought. It suggests that death is not an absolute endpoint, but rather a transition phase. This phase is marked by a gradual decline in cellular function, a slow fading rather than an abrupt end. This transition phase, this third state, is characterized by a gradual decline in cellular function rather than an abrupt cessation. It opens up new avenues for research and understanding. This discovery has ignited a firestorm of debate and excitement within the scientific community. Researchers are now questioning long-held beliefs and exploring new theories. It compels us to re-evaluate our understanding of life's boundaries and explore the uncharted territory that lies between life and death. This uncharted territory holds the potential for groundbreaking discoveries that could change the way we think about life and death forever. Peter Noble and Alex Pozhitkov, researchers at the University of Washington, have made startling discoveries in this realm. Their groundbreaking work is shedding new light on what happens at the cellular level after death. Their work reveals that gene expression, the process by which cells use DNA to create proteins, can continue for days, even weeks, after an organism's death. This phenomenon challenges our traditional understanding of life and death. This post-mortem gene expression is not random. Instead, it appears to follow specific patterns. These patterns suggest that the cells are not merely decaying, but are engaging in a coordinated response. Some genes related to stress response, wound healing, and even embryonic development become more active after death. This activity indicates that the cells might be trying to repair themselves or respond to the trauma of death. The activation of these genes is particularly intriguing. It suggests that the biological processes we associate with life continue to operate, albeit in a different context after death. This suggests that cells might be engaging in a final, desperate attempt to repair damage and survive. It's as if the cells are fighting against the inevitable, trying to maintain their integrity for as long as possible.
Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to stay in the loop, and share it with friends who'd enjoy it. It only takes a moment, but it helps the channel create more exciting content.
These findings have profound implications for organ transplantation, forensic science, and our understanding of the biological processes that continue after death. They also offer new insights into our understanding of evolution. By studying these post-mortem processes, scientists can learn more about the resilience and adaptability of life. They highlight the remarkable resilience of life and offer a glimpse into the complex mechanisms that govern the transition from life to death. This research opens up new avenues for exploring how life persists even in the face of death. The exploration of this third state extends beyond the cellular level. Scientists are now creating entirely new forms of life that challenge our very definition of what it means to be alive. One such example is xenobots, microscopic biological machines designed by computers and built from living cells. These xenobots, crafted from frog cells, exhibit astonishing abilities. They can move independently, self-heal, and even work together in groups. While they are not considered organisms in the traditional sense, their ability to exhibit lifelike behavior blurs the lines between living and non-living matter. Xenobots represent a remarkable convergence of biology and computer science. They offer a powerful tool for studying the fundamental principles of life and could potentially revolutionize fields like medicine and environmental remediation. Section 5. Anthrobots. Breathing life into the inanimate. Equally fascinating are anthrobots, biobots constructed from human cells. These engineered tissues, often built on a scaffold, can mimic the functions of human organs. They offer a promising avenue for studying diseases, testing drugs, and even developing personalized therapies. The creation of anthrobots raises profound ethical and philosophical questions. Are these biobots simply complex machines, or do they possess a level of sentience? As we continue to push the boundaries of synthetic biology, we must grapple with the implications of our creations and ensure their responsible development. Section 6. The cellular afterlife. A symphony of survival. The duration of this cellular afterlife varies depending on the type of cell and the surrounding environment. Neurons, for instance, are highly sensitive to oxygen deprivation and typically die within minutes after blood flow ceases. Other cells, like skin cells, can survive for hours or even days. This variation in cellular survival is due to several factors, including the cell's metabolic rate, energy reserves, and ability to withstand stress. Understanding these factors is crucial for developing strategies to preserve organs for transplantation and improving our understanding of aging and disease. Section 7. The fuel of existence, metabolism's role in death. Metabolic activity, the sum of all chemical reactions within a cell, plays a pivotal role in post-mortem cell maintenance. Cells require a constant supply of energy to function, and this energy is derived from the breakdown of nutrients through metabolic processes. After death, the supply of nutrients and oxygen dwindles, leading to a decline in metabolic activity. However, some cells can switch to alternative metabolic pathways, utilizing stored energy reserves to prolong their survival. This metabolic flexibility is a testament to the remarkable adaptability of life. Section 8. A delicate balance. Factors influencing cellular fate. Numerous factors influence cellular survival after death. Age, for instance, plays a significant role. Cells from younger individuals tend to exhibit greater resilience and survive longer than those from older individuals. This is likely due to the accumulation of cellular damage and the decline in repair mechanisms with age. Environmental conditions also play a crucial role. Temperature, pH, and the presence of toxins can all impact cellular survival after death. For example, cells exposed to extreme temperatures or harsh chemicals are more likely to succumb to damage and die quickly. Section 9. A New Frontier. Unraveling the mysteries of life and death. The discovery of this third state has opened up a new frontier in scientific exploration. It challenges our fundamental understanding of life and death, raising profound philosophical and ethical questions. If life persists beyond the traditional markers of death, how do we redefine death? What are the implications for organ donation and end-of-life care? Furthermore, these discoveries offer tantalizing possibilities for the future. Could we harness post-mortem cellular activity to develop new medical treatments? Could we one day reverse death itself? While these questions remain unanswered, one thing is certain. The exploration of the third state is poised to revolutionize our understanding of life, death, and everything in between.
Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to stay in the loop, and share it with friends who'd enjoy it. It only takes a moment, but it helps the channel create more exciting content.